It was a wild week and we just started in July. Now you know Jamaica full of entertainers. Well, we never want to save this one for last. Meet Gold God.
Right now we're there, French Free Studio, while I vibe with one of the trending dancehall artists them right now. Gold God, what going rich people?
Yeah, deal with you?
Yeah man, everything good?
Yeah man, I want to man.
First of all, cheers for describe Gold God for those who are not familiar.
Alright, real, sophisticated chopper.
Chopper mean nowadays.
Hustler man,
Yeah.
a new word for hustling.
New word for hustling.
Also we are hustling though.
Yeah.
As the man say, I don't know, illegal we are just hustle.
Hustler. So
Yes,
from
it
your
go.
hustler, you're a chopper.
Yeah man, the whole street a chop now. We say everybody a chop now. We make union lock down.
We should say you're up on a little trending spree from what they're up on the internet. What's up?
You know, you hear me say, I'm a trending king. I don't joke thing to it. You see me, every song we chop a trend, no joke, no in a game. You see me, I say, see there, Splints Boss, there. You see me, I say, we just drop a song with him, it a mash up trending. You see me, I say, we just drop one name, Trending King, and mash up trending. Every song, you see me, Jungle Jesus, so all of them are mash up trending. So, Trending King.
Four corner. Only one God, you know? One God.
What is it about your song that you think that always lead to them to trend?
If you notice, dancehall no change over about 5 years now at the same. You see, but me just forward out and say, you are going, me I change it up, you see me I say, little flavor to it, you see me I say, some little new move to it, you see me I dance, you see me I put some new dance move to the table, you see me I say, me I run some serious competition and one bag of things, so it's like the whole environment, you see me just different and change up, you know.
What does it mean when a song is trending?
Means that the artists are the artists on the ground. You see me I say? Because I mind I want to go in Jamaica, you know. So if you have the number 10 song in Jamaica trend, that means say you're a top 10 artist right now.
Talk to me about some of the songs that you released so far. I was one of your most popular ones.
Alright, the popularest one is Client Convoy, you see me?
Client
I
Convo.
say, hi, listen, my name is Blake. I'm just wondering how you're doing, Mr. Gray. It's so wonderful to hear you're doing great. But did you know you win $1 million today? How? In the last sweepstake, you see what I say?
A lot of your buzz was since the whole corona time or when it started?
Alright, it started a little bit before it, you know. I drop a song with Siaga Binds. I saw it start, so they saw the bus far down, and then everybody like, yo, alright, God, you find a bad song, you know, but you're not gonna find nothing other than that. You see me, I say, hey, alright, watch it. You see me? Same time, take the phone and go to dial. Hi, listen, my name is Blake. The people in the whole world shake, they so, and I write exactly right there, so. Corona forward.
Yeah.
You see me? But everybody broke in a corona, but right there so before a week done we make about $2 million.
Just
I
like
just dub.
Eh.
Just like that. You see me? So while everybody are ball in a corona, me just easy back and just make music and I laugh.
Since then you start walking around with them.
Yeah, more time I have to walk around with a little bricks more time. Cause you know say you them there out, you see me I say? Yeah, we have to always, you see me I say, bless up the place and them see there, you see me? Yeah man, I walk with a little something, you know, hand warmer you call it a pocket warmer. I can't hold in my pocket, me have to keep it in my hand.
Oh, that's the hand warmer.
Yeah man, the hand warmer more time, you know, you have to walk. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look like exercise when you
Yeah
walk
man,
around
yeah
the
man,
same
you see me give a vibe.
Yeah.
You see me, if you know say I walk with $1 million or $2 million in a year and I go so, you see me? Yeah man, no joke man.
time. I use the money team.
Yeah man, I'm on the street man, right split fast? Alright, right.
All your grandkid is doing great. Are you a Christian? I'm a Christian. Bow your head and let us pray. Everybody a chop now. Me make union lockdown.
Which part Gold God forward from?
Golden River,
Which part that there?
above rocks, St. Catherine. Yeah.
Talk to us about some of your influences as an artist, dancehall wise.
Me's not a man where you say, yo, this a man I'm my artist.
Yeah.
You see me, friend, you put up bad song, yeah, I'm an artist.
COVID time now, everybody kind of locked down. How has it been affecting you and your career?
Alright, just to show them, you know. To be honest, I just to show them. So it's like, say, me make $1 million, you see me, I say, in a 1 month. Just, you know, say, we make $1 million in a month. If the show time them they're running, you know how much million they're making in 1 month? Whole heap of money would have make. So it kind of shake it up a little, but you know, it don't affect it fully, you see me?
So even as a young artist, you can make the money there, for sure?
Yeah, man. Sometimes all a week, we make $1 million and me not fly. Think about it.
Yeah.
So imagine me I take the show money. That I just like people say, yo, Ray, more want voice, say God. Yo, more want some dub plate. And a quick time you see $1 million jump up easy. So I say, imagine if me that take on the show them.
Yo, Splints. You know the baddest guy, you know who get to work in a brawling chaps. Middle ear, son. You know the baddest.
We hear you just did a video recently.
Yeah, I do one video named Big Money. You see me I say Big Money with Splints. You see me I say Nice Box. You see me I say them shoot it. You see me I say them bad at 6K them shooting. I say, you know, say clean, Black Magic, Bagger sitting. You see me Splints music are going with Bagger sitting. I don't even want to talk about them right now. And we have some more project forward so people know look out for it. You see me I say Splints boss.
So
no
ask a
joke.
question. Does it make sense to drop a lot of new content, a lot of new material in a time like this when artists can't do shows and have a hard time monetizing a lot of the thing them?
Then how you going to entertain the people then? Remember you know, while we are lost enough artists right now, because we still do the work. You see me, when COVID a blast, we still go to shoot with video them. You see me, I say we still release songs. So everybody I say, yo, God release 10 songs in 1 month. You see me, I say, and the 10 of them trend. Tell me if I know God them all look for.
Yeah.
While the artists them say, no man, COVID no, we're not gonna show, so we're not release a song. Eventually out of sight, out of mind. You see me, I say, so everybody forgot about them, so we them are free now.
Lastly, I want to tell us what's the most intense thing about Gold God.
The intense thing about Gold God, him just being a Gold God. You see me, I say? We're just different from the whole of them. You see me, I say, just enjoy music. You see me, I say, just live it. You see me, enough artists them now do it. Me, a man, if you notice, I go live at night time. I have the artist live at Jamaica, no joke. You see me, every night, I go live. All 50,000 people I check it, not one time, when I come up and check it. But yeah, at the artist live, right now.
What make the life so hot?
I only think the girl I go out with at real Gold God. I don't go over there, I just fall out. I can't talk, because probably, you don't know how TV sitting work already, but it's serious. They block me 20 times.
Hey.
Yeah man, 20 times they block me man, and them have to free it up same time, because I text them and say, yo, people they want to see what I got. Instant.
Yeah.
Fly back again.
That's a good
Yeah,
one.
man, it's serious, man. You need to forward and watch a live show, man. Gold God live, man.
So when you travel around with so much unwarmer, you have security and them something?
Yeah, man. Splints boss him and the whole team there, man. No joke, man.
Yeah.
at least that, man. Go at this at least, man.
Yeah.
When them a walk with the suitcase, a problem.
Ah.
Yeah, man, a problem, man.
That's a good one, you know.
Yeah,
Gold
man,
God. Keep
Yeah,
it
man.
locked, stay tuned.
One
Sharp.
shot.